understanding of the business, that why you are using this, what are the impact on the business once you go through this one. So first part is that handling unit. So hello. No, I am not sharing. I'll just go and I'll first discuss about what is handling unit, and after that we will start. So handling unit is coming in the different form. Handling unit, not only the pallets. The handling unit is defined as for your business process. You can define as a carton, pallets, auxiliary materials, means what is the packing material you feel. So all these things is coming as a, in term of business, this is coming as a handling unit in EWM. Like other material, you have to also create handling unit. Means the first is the material master. This is the packaging materials. Based upon this one, how you are going to pack and all. The in last year, means in one scenario we see the pallets is coming for the packaging. You just use these pallets to pack the product, but because this is given by default, we will go through how what configuration is required and how this is happen. The system is identify and do. So let me share. The first thing is that we will go through the configuration and what are the different process, but let me log in the system. We'll see. I'll share this. So in the WM scenario also you have a handling unit. So once you use the WM, then there is a storage unit, and IM level you are using the handling unit. But here everything is in the handling unit. There is no concept of SU, sorry. So SU is, there is no concept of SU. Here everything's in the handling unit. So let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen? This is disconnect, remote desktop is disconnected. Are you able to see now, Sudhakar? Govind?
No, not yet.
Now?
Yes.
Yeah. So handling unit in the S4 side, you have to do the configuration and maintain all these things in the both. Both means that S4 side and EWM side both. And why you are maintaining both, we are going to discuss this. But I just come here and just try to discuss where is the handling unit in the ERP side. So if you go to Logistic General, this is Logistic General. Inside this one, you will see the handling unit which is in S4 side. Handling unit and basic data and all these things is here for the handling unit. So if you just see the nodes and all, you have to define the material type, group, allow, all these things. We'll go through this one. These are the basic configuration required to do the handling unit in this one, S4. And after that, you are going to maintain the use of handling. So this is the number range you are going to maintain. This two is SCC number range, because this is the unique across the board. So the number range is itself formed from 18 or 19 digit, that is combined of few uniqueness that give the unique handling number across the board, means that this is a company a specific number sometime. So no other company you use this one. 8 9 digit is company specific, rest is that international, they are just identify with this one. Maybe they are giving some identifier. ILN, the short form is called ILN. So SAP give the ILN number, and after that you put the rest of these things in the handling unit number. So how this is formed, we will go through this one. And same configuration you are also doing in the EWM side also. So why you require to do in both and all, we will discuss this. So let's start. I am just sharing one slide. Let me know you are. I'm sharing my one slides. You share. So this is the handling. Today you are going to see the handling unit, what are the property and all. So handling unit you have to define. This is the combined of product and packaging material in the terms of handling unit. So if anything is the handling unit is both combined of product and packaging material, but the material you use for pack this thing, it itself has a material.
Sanjay, your voice is breaking. I'm not sure if just me or everyone.
What is it? No, is this better?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay, thank you. So packaging is that once we're talking about the handling unit is not exist empty. The handling unit means that there is some product inside this one. So is this the combination of product and packaging material? So this product itself a material in SAP, and packaging material is also itself has a material in SAP. So once you combine these both two, then this is called handling unit. So if you can create a handling unit, you can use the old handling unit, means depend upon if this is not used in the different process, means that packing, repacking and all, you can use this thing handling unit. You can put the more quantity inside this one, you can put the repacking during, you can divide the handling unit, you can take the print off of handling unit, you can do lot of things in the handling unit. But the criteria of handling unit is that always there should be product. If there is any empty handling unit, this is not means a standard is not giving. So in the customized way of work is that lot of companies that preprint the handling unit and they use, because this is the external number range for this guy. So you can use this one also. But what are the standard is that we are discussing as for the standard SAP practice. So there is a different one kind of a specific kind of material type for the handling unit. This is the valve, and after that, once you go and create in the EWM side, this is the EWM sites. We'll go through IM sites also. So this is the packaging material, or is this the auxiliary material, or is this the, so you can put from, you can take from here. Let me show this as a bigger one. You can put here the number and can draw the number ranges. After that, where the packaging material is closed packaging material or not. So there is a few property here you can specify as for the requirements. So basic things is that you have to define this one. The high level is that you have to define packaging material first. Then you have to make a group of this one. So packaging, define the packaging group of the product, and you have to assign this handling unit to the group. So maintain this one, this packaging material, this is the packaging material type, and this is the packaging group. So the system can identify what kind of, why you are making group. That group has a similar property. So maybe the packaging material type is different, but you are trying to make this group so you can use the same purpose. Is this the case labor packing, or is this the auxiliary material? Maybe the auxiliary material like bubble wraps, the thermocols is coming, but these are the auxiliary materials. So by grouping this one, system understand what kind of group this is. Maybe this is the different materials, but that is the packaging material. Same times is the pallets. Yeah, go ahead. Yep. That is good question. Means that material is at the plant level. So you are not maintaining the pet material is in the means the warehouse. Warehouse here you can populate few data, and sorry, and this is maintained as specific for the warehouse or plant. If you want to maintain these things just like a material master, and the configuration you are maintaining, this is at the where plant and material EWM data means configuration. And once you do the transactions of the products, then you can utilize this for the packaging. So suppose that if I'm go to, let's see, if I'm go here, I'm sharing my screen. So here, if I see here, are you able to see my SAP screen, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, Sanjay, you could see.
Yeah. Let me minimize this. So see here, this is the, in warehouse level, you have to maintain specifically for the warehouse. So you have to define here the material, and this is the packaging material is here. After that, maintain the group assigned to this one, HU. Once you start the handling unit grouping and all these things, then warehouse is coming. Before this, there is no warehouse specific. And these three nodes is coming as a warehouse specific. Not correct. Yeah. So one thing is that I told you, so sometimes the question is coming that everybody mind, why you are maintaining the two different level that. So we'll go through the first slide. After that, I will explain why you are required to maintain. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. We'll go through the few slides. Is there not much? So you have to allow what are the different packaging group under this particular material type, packaging material type you are. After that, you put this one as a grouping, handling, define the HU type, and after HU type, you define this one group. So here you have to one. Yeah, till now you are good. Here, after that you see here, you define the HU type. So HU is that what kind of size, package, material wise, you can differentiate this one and make it the different HU type. HU means handling unit in the short form. So handling unit. So see here, you are putting the Euro pallets, chip pallets, you can put height wise, if this is the, what are the, so this is called handling unit type. So you first define this one, and after that this is assigned, means in the warehouse how you define these things here in the handling unit, define handling unit group, and you maintain here in the configuration. We'll go through the configuration, and all these things is assigned to handling unit warehouse number and the handling unit group. So here you do where handling unit type 1, 2, 3, and what are the different storage type you allow. So some specific storage type, how you go to store this product, you can maintain, because if you don't maintain, then across the board this product will go. So suppose that some bin is high bin, some is means one height 1 meter long bin, some is 2 meters long bin height, maybe width is different. So you have to identify your physical storage area, and based upon this one you can define the bin type, and you have to assign this handling unit for this one. So this can be done in the standard way. And here if you see, you are putting this in the material master, packaging material type here 001, you are just putting an handling unit type, and this is the packaging.
We seeing a different screen here. We are just still in handling unit types per warehouse number screen.
Let me see. Handling unit, are you seeing that one?
Yeah, now we can see your PowerPoint.
Yeah. So calculate this one. Then what kind of, this is the handling unit, you have to put HU type. After that the material type, handling unit material and group. So these three things you just keep in mind, that one is HU type, one is packaging material type, and packaging group. These three is required. These are the three is the different parameters, and all these are in the different way. So here in SAP, if you see here, the tracking numbers and HUs is also maintain the mode of transport and all. Then you require the handling unit for this one, and for this one you require to define one handling unit type that is specifically for the truck, for the transportation kind of things. You will see in the system once you go through the configuration. And here did you see the number ranges? You have to assign the interval number ranges, packaging and all. Most important is here that SCC number range for the handling unit according to EN. So how this is, if you see a digit is 00, this is the serial shipping container code, SCC full form. So this is the form, means unique across the shipping, used to identify individual shipping containers. So it is unique across the board. And packaging type, if the characteristic case carton is there, then this is 1, and pallet has a 1, carton has a 0 based upon this one. So here packaging type they are talking about characteristics. ILN is the international location number, 7 characters, and that is the unique number. You have to, after that 1, this is identifier, this is 1, this is the ILN number, and that is the handling unit number system will generate, and that is the check digit. So your big number is combined with few characteristics so that system can identify what kind of pallets, what is the ILN number, what are the handling unit number inside this one, and this is the check digit. This is required, means check digit is just for the verification purpose that rest of the number and everything is good. And once you have to create the barcode, you have to create across the board. So because this is required to hand in the warehouse, this is easy for handling, and all the company required to maintain the handling unit once they are going to EWM, because your throughput is more in this way. So your receiving is increased, your shipments is increased, your transportation means that handling time is less, because once you are going by loose product, you have to go multiple time. And if you store within the handling unit, one handling unit can store up to the product size, package and all. This is the multiple, and you can put in the, suppose that you are storing one a small items like a syringe or something. So one box you can first put in the box. Box can go into carton, and carton can go up to the pallets. So one pallet can have be more than 1,000, 2,000 kind of. So if you try to handle the separate product or the carton wise, you cannot handle. But here one time you can handle in the easily way multiple product inside. Food in the food industry also, this is very important to maintain handling unit to move the product. So after manufacturing, our goal is here, after the manufacturing happen, handling unit will create. Once handling unit will create, you will handle through this one, keep the product, receive the product through the handling unit. You move the product within the warehouse like quarantine area, quality area, final bin location. You can move after the damage, you can move in the different area, or maybe rearrange the product in the different place. Once this is done, then customer shipment, you ship the same handling unit to the another customer so that they can use this one. And once the handling unit status, there is a different status itself in the handling unit. Once this is created, once this is put away, once you ship to the customer and all. And once you create one handling unit, you cannot go and again create the same handling unit, because in this case there is an integrity issue, duplicate number. So the benefit what you are talking here, this is unique across the board. So you cannot go back and create the same handling unit once again. So that is the basic configurations of SAP handling unit here, and the number range what you are talking. So if I show what is the, give me one, I'll just give the bit bigger here. So see the warehouse, after that first is the pallets, after that begin with the ILN number, after that this is the object which is going in the, after that 7-8 series here, this is the 01 integrity check, and external number, internal number, range, and all these things, how you are going to use this one. So you generate system, based upon this setting, system generate the number range during the packing, repacking, handling, everything. Now the one question is coming in mind, our everybody mind, that why you are maintaining in both place, in the S4 and here also. Copy this. S4 means ERP side and EWM side. And how this is happen, that you are going to this side to this side, and so why I'm putting the two-way communication, that here if one scenario you are looking for, you will receive the product, you will pack the product, you will do all the warehouse activity within this one. Manufacturing will start receiving and everything. So that is one business scenario. Second business scenario, you may be thinking this way, like your another organization which is in EWM S4 itself. So suppose that the warehouse here is the different one. They pick the product, they ship, after that they ship you. So once they ship the product, then this is within this box, this is coming the handling unit. And once you receive from this warehouse to this warehouse, maybe the plant is different, so or maybe the storage location is different, then what will happen? You, because this handling unit your within your organization, so you want to maintain the same handling unit. In this case, no need to reprint the label. You just put away the product or handle, or sorry, so handle through the only by level. So what will happen here, if this system also not maintain the same handling unit, then how the system you can get from the S4 to the EWM. So if this is under another warehouse, suppose here, and this is also connected to our same S4 system here, this is connected to, so this is warehouse 1, this is warehouse 2, this is called a warehouse 1. So how you move, you cannot move from here to here, because this is the process how you STO happen. So this systems is generate the delivery. You have to pick, pack and ship. After once shipping, this system has a delivery, S4 delivery updated. Based upon the S4 delivery, there is an inbound create. This system, once the inbound create, this will communicate to EWM. So during the creation of inbound delivery, you should also maintain the handling unit which is sent to this one. So it means that what you are getting from the another system, you can pass to warehouse and you can generate within the warehouse. So once you pass the handling unit to the warehouse, this is in IAM level. That's why logistic general, you have to configure this one. And if you generate within the warehouse for processing, manufacturing, packing, maybe the repackings, handling all, you generate the handling unit, then you have to communicate to here. So that's why this handling unit, you have to maintain handling unit in this level, this level, this level, and each other system can understand the handling unit number within the organization. So that's why there is so if I put here, we are discussing here, so if I put the handling unit manage only at the warehouse level, then if any product is shipped, you lose our handling unit here. Because this handling unit, is this S4 is not handling unit managed, then you lose these things. So to maintain the handling unit across the board, first you maintain in the warehouse, after that in IM level, S4 level, and after that you again to another organization or plant where you can move this handling unit. So across the board, you need to maintain handling unit both places. Any questions here? So now let's see what is the different. There is a one configuration in the IM level. We will go through the IM level also. Let's see the IM level. This is the same things like define the packaging material is this pallets, carton, zip. This is the for the, I think this is for the TM, transportation model related. This is truck. Truck is also one kind of packaging material type you maintain for the TU creation. So this is the pallet carton. This is the Y series number. They just come from the previous one. And here the another part is that grouping of this one. So they just group one only. So you can just create group and assign all the types in this third one. Oh, sorry. This is not maintained, but you have to maintain here. That is the basic things. After that, goods movement and all these things is not required because this is the WM activity movement type and all these things you require. So in the lower side, you have to go and maintain the number range here. And here you have to take this one. Uniqueness required number range is here. So if you see here, 01 and 02, there is a 2. And see here, there is a 1 is external and 1 is internal. So what is the meaning is this one. And in S4 side, if you see, this is the external, 2 is external and 1 is internal. So same things once you go to the EWM side, you have to maintain one as a external and one as a internal. So what is internal here, that is for the EWM is external, and what is the internal in the EWM side, that is external here. So that both system can adopt the same handling unit. Are you able to get this point, everybody? So if you see here, this 2 is the, one is external, one is internal. If I go back and I just try to, there should be one more, but they are just one different thing, giving the internal one. So once they receive, that is the problem, because there is no external, they cannot receive this one. So generally in every client you are giving two kind of things, one is external, one is internal, and that is the place you define. So see, hello Sudhaka, let's give you 1 minute to join. Yeah, Okay, I'm sharing your doc. Sir. You sent this one, am I right? Are you able to see? So currently you are not coming on this level. That is the different things. Okay? Just keep these things in the later. We will discuss this one in the later. So currently what we are discussing here, this one, that packaging space materials. And how you do this, you use this one. That is the good examples that see here. They are giving the PAL box, wire box, if you are using this to store. Pallet is already known. Truck, container, crate, everything is coming as a packaging material. And these are the things once you generate, even the you put the container, truck and everything, that is the number range. Everything has a number range. You have to define this product. And once you define, then system allowed do the you can use this one as a product, as a packaging material, because how the system know what are the actual product and what are the packaging material. This is depend upon, I think that everybody know the product type, material type. So material type differentiate these things. And here within this, all this, suppose that all this you can define the product as a packaging material. But inside this one, there is another differentiator is that HU type. So this HU is different. This HU has a different, that is the different one. Pallet truck has a different. So system first know this is the packaging material, and based upon the HU type, system know what kind of product is this. And what is the here there's means this pictures is showing here. This is the numbers. So HU is 120, 20, this one. So one container is here. This is the one container. What is the container is this one. So one container is taking here as HU 20, 21, 22. Another one is the here as a HU 11, 12, 13. And container is called to HU 100. So they are saying that this is the whole container number has a HU name 100. Within this 100, this has a one box or pallet. One pallet is here and one pallet is here. So this pallet has a 120, this pallet has a 110. Under this HU number, this one, maybe this is the carton, this is the carton packaging material they use, or maybe this is the HU, but this is the two different things is packed inside this one. So this is the identification of the HUs on the higher level, because this is the container, this is the pallets, and that is inside this one packaging. Is this clear?
Yeah.
So if you use the, so if you are using the inbound process itself, you are packing. Suppose that your material is come from manufacturing and or maybe the vendor, you always pack the material. So at the time of receiving, if you pack, no need to pack at the time of, again in the time of or means shipment, because you have HU. But if you are keeping few product as a loose product, then you have to pack before sending. And that is the requirement, because you cannot send the loose product to the customer, because you cannot sell the raw material. So raw material is just used for our purpose to make the finished goods. So you can utilize this raw material and loose product to issue to the production line. But once you use this material and receive the new product or finished goods product, this should be come from the manufacturing. Always there is a level required. There is a lot of different kind of level in it. So quality has a level, manufacturing specification is there, and manufacturing carton number is there. After that, the quality has to cross-check their specification. They put some indication that is this good product or bad product. Lot of serial number is there, then serial number is attached to the devices and all. So there is a lot of different things is there. But at the product level, lot of carton, lot of labeling is required once you manufacture the product. And one of this is that pallet. Okay.
Anyway, since no one joined, maybe we could complete tomorrow. Yeah, I recorded whatever we spoke right now. Already recorded it. We'll just focus on it.
For second time, nobody joined?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
No one joined, right? We can
Hello.
hear me now?
Okay. Yeah. I'm hearing.
Yeah. No one joined, right? So we maybe next session for today. I recorded this everything, so maybe we put it. We can continue tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, then next week, Mindy, because you will continue from Monday. Then. Okay, not a problem.
Yeah.
Sudhakar,
Yeah.
Sudhakar,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, can you please send me that drive link to my email ID, please? The recordings.
Yeah. It is there in the drive. Okay. One second.
Please send it to me, Sudhakar.
I didn't get. Okay.
I'm here. Ramakrishna is also there, actually.
Yeah. My mistake. My bad, actually. I was.
Yeah, I'm here.
My name.
We are here, actually. Sanjay, if you want to continue in 10 minutes, we have, right?
Go ahead. Continue.
Continue.
Okay.
Yeah. My mistake, actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that we'll complete 1 hour, right? That's my
I
class.
was recording the session and I couldn't see other people here. Maybe because I was hiding here. I minimized the whole thing.
Yeah, maybe that is the idea.
Yeah, my bad. That's why I was realizing like didn't do that.
And here, you see here, this is you're putting the packaging material intervals, what number range you are using. That is the number range. And packaging material with the warehouse and all. So, and why I come here to means to share the information.
Sanjay, we are not able to see your screen, actually. Are you sharing screen?
Yeah, sorry. Every times this is not moving. Yeah, I'm sharing.
Yeah.
Are you able to see now?
Yeah, now,
Okay.
yeah, I could see.
Yeah. So what you are discussing here is that is logistic general. What are the configuration you are doing under the logistic general HUs? See the number range and all. This is the basic one, and after that, first part is that you have to define the group and all, and number ranges. Same things you have to go and do the in EWM side. So if I minimize the node here, there is a basic external identification under which number range you have to define. These are the number range identification. And you define the number range here. Only one extra steps you are doing under the EWM is that you have to allow the HU in the storage type, because you are storing these things. Yeah, here, see here, the define HU in warehouse as and the storage type will define HU for each storage type. So this node you did not see in the previous one, the IM level, because this is not required. And here, if you come here, then you have to define the group, and at the warehouse level, yeah, you have to define the HU type here. And if you see in this side, this is the group. So you can, it means that this HU belongs to this group. So grouping means similar characteristics of this one. So only the naming is different. So maybe this is the Euro palette. Did you see here? They are putting this all is the Euro palette. So all the Euro palettes coming under the same group. Only the HU type is different because there is a height is different. And that is the property you are defining. That is the difference between HU type and the grouping. Means you have a HU type under the group. And last one is you are keeping here is the storage type and HU type allowed. So which HU type can hold what kind of pallets, this is mentioned here. So see here, the warehouse storage type, after that this storage type can hold E1, E2, E3. If there is anything, so you can put the multiple numbers here, because this is under the particular warehouse only there is a two HU type is defined. See, that's why otherwise system allowed to do. So you have to maintain, and in this way system can control the movements of the pallets in the restricted areas, that this pallet will go to the this particular zone, this pallet will go to the particular, suppose that in the top of the rack means level 3, level 4, that is the open place. You can means that one of my customer, you define the top rack on the rackings, that in the very high level is that any height of the pallet is required and go there. So this is the, you define the one different storage type and put all the high level, means the, which is the height is more, which kind of HU type you want to put inside this one. So suppose that I put here the E1, E2, this is EH. E means this one E, H means high. So high kind of, and you allow the particular high kind of pallets inside the this storage. So all the bins in the particular storage type, you can only put 5 feet, 4 feet height pallet. This cannot be fit inside the lower level because there is another racks layers in between that. So they can put in this way. So that is the one business process you can define, and you can allow the system to go through this one. And same things is here, you can define this one, and number range is maintain SSC number range. See here, this is ILN is not here they are giving, but this is the ILN number, series is here, ILN is here, and this is the number range there. You have to first identify this number range, the object is there. So this is the what you can see from the previous one. The range of object. So this is the here range of object is here, and this range is coming. If you give, this is the internal number range. So ILN, after ILN, this is generating. And see here, this is the how the system generate the unique number. All these things is the internally characteristics and all, and this generate the final number in the system. if you are using the SCC number. Generally, all the clients is using the unique number range. So SCC is the better way to handle the products. And I look across the different client. The number range for the HU is always SCC number range. If you go to back, let's see. So you have a different options here to pack, repack the product. Yes, see here what I'm looking here to, so you guys see here. This is a lot of options here to pack, repack. So first is that create HU. So generally you use this option only because you create and after that pack these things. But you can repack HU, means that within the packing you have a different HUs. So you can do this one. So suppose that one HU has 100, you can divide this one. Repack product. Okay, sorry. I will go through this one so that this will, so see here the source HU, destination HU, packaging material and bin. And once you do this one, system will repack this. This is the repack product. So you can pick the product wide if you want to distribute the quantity, like out of 150 is here, 20 you want to pack on the different one. So you can use this one here, repack product. So source, bin, quantities, every tab has a different. If you want to put the differences of the product, this one, change HU, that if there is something happen to the HU, you can change your HU. Assign a serial number of the stock, serial number, if this is serial number product, then serial number is here, and the HU level you can assign. So accordingly you can do the activity which is you required. So item level, document level, if you had a suppose that you receive the product and during receiving something is broken. So at the time of, you cannot use the same serial numbers, same HU. So you have to reprint the level, it's attached in the staging area with the particular HU, and you can process. So you can use this as a assignment serial number. If this is the serial number product, you can use this one because delivery number is here. So if you want to use the delivery number based serial number, the stock control and all these things. So this is the default pin. A stock ID is that this is always associated with the intermediate area, stock ID. Once the this is not assigned to or put away in the any place, this ID is assigned in the stock. So by this one you can also identify. And if you come here, you can see the details view, what is inside this one. So capacity, what is the capacity of this one, detail one, what kind of product is inside this one, all the information is here. See here, SCC pallets, this is the type, HU types. This is the user information. Here you get the HU number. So one more important working part is that if you want to copy this one, suppose that I want to copy this number, you cannot copy from here. You have to just double click here, come on the detail 2, not detail 1, detail 2. You just copy these things. And after that, you can use copy paste kind of things. So, because this is a very big number, you cannot remember and go in another place and note it down. So come in the detail to copy this one and all. If there is open task is open against this one, so this will show you the open task, confirmation and all. So HU level, what are the activity you want to see? You can come under the pack and you can see all this activity in the header level and item levels also. And from here, you can take the printout from here. Here, once the HU level is there, then you can take the printout. You want to empty out, if you want to empty out, you can do this one. So this is called the empty button. So if you just select this one, this HU is gone and this is empty out. You want to delete this one, you can do. So you can do other activity across the board. So that is the very high level. Packaging material has a different concept. Packaging specification has a different concept. Like if I give you examples that one box only, once you packing suppose that one instrument and that is going in the box, this is only like a mouse, computer mouse. The company is making the mouse, they are pack in the wrappers and they send in the cartons. Suppose that 10 mouse in the one carton and this will go 20 carton is going in the pallet. So how the system know that this only 10 carton is going, that what he is here you are discussing. Here you are discussing about the product. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3. So how many level you want to pack? These defined in the packaging specification, and each level how much quantity, what are the unit of measure. So suppose that this level is 1, this level is 1, 2, 3. So this is the main level, this is secondary level, tertiary level you are talking about, and how much quantity inside this one, and final what are the pallet level. So this information is under the packaging specification. So that is the difference between the HUs and the packaging specification. Packaging specification is contain information how you pack the product within the warehouse, and packaging HU type is saying that what kind of packaging material you want to use to pack the product. They not specify any quantity inside the HUs. Packaging specification has a master data which derive what are the quantity inside this. Is this bit clear or need some more discussion? We will go through the packaging specification once more, but let me know. So you are stop here today?
Yeah, you can stop.
Let me know.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's stop here and maybe we'll continue tomorrow. Oh,
I will
tomorrow is
continue.
Friday. Tomorrow Friday,
Yeah.
right?
Monday.
Yeah, that's
Monday.
Monday will continue.
Yeah,
And
Sudhakar,
coming
send me the link, the drive link,
There in
please.
the Google Drive, Anand. Just go and check Google Drive, WhatsApp. WhatsApp group. There is a Google Drive updated. It's there.
Oh, it's there in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
You see there is a Google Drive. You could see all the recordings, all the materials, everything in one folder.
In our
I think that we upload on
WhatsApp.
the YouTube.